So today we're going to be upcycling an outfit, and to start off with I am using just a cheap bandana that I got from Hobby Lobby, and this is a piece that I had left over. You can use a Cricut machine or you can hand cut it. And for the pocket I am going to do a little inseam all the way around, and I am using the Easy Tack glue that I also got from Hobby Lobby. And then once I have the inseams folded and glued in place, I put some little mini clothespins to hold it down so it dries securely. I waited about 30 minutes to allow everything to dry, and once it was completely dried, I decided to add it around the pocket, starting with the outer part first and then working my way around. And now we're going to be doing the holes in the knees. This pair of jeans is in really good condition other than the holes, and I have been seeing so many little girls' outfits here lately that has been doing a different pattern behind the holes where the knees are at, and I thought this would be perfect for that. The bandana that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, one side has a more vibrant color than the other, so you just want to make sure that whichever side that is on, that faces through the holes in the knees. And then that is it. Of course, you want to allow this to dry completely before washing and wearing. And I just think it turned out so cute, such an easy weekend project. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.